go. Hello everyone, this is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Wednesday night Major League Baseball action, American League. Third game of a 4-game series featuring the Minnesota Twins and Boston Red Sox at Fenway Park. First pitch scheduled for 7:10 Eastern Time on ESPN. Red Sox currently 172 home favorites, while the total has fallen from 9.5 to 9. Go to SBRodds.com to monitor any future odds movement. This is the 9th of a 10-game road trip for the Minnesota Twins. 3-5 record in the first 8 games, including a 6-1 victory as 160 underdogs against Boston on Tuesday night, going under the total of 9. Now they'll send out young left-hander Pedro Hernandez, 1-0 with a 3.90 ERA in 5 games, 3 starts. But his only effort against Boston during the 2012 campaign, an absolutely miserable one, a 10-1 loss, came on July 18th. 4 innings of work, 8 runs allowed on 12 hits. All 10 runs batted in for Boston in that box score, though, when looking at it, are no longer on the roster. Cody Ross and Adrian Gonzalez playing for the Arizona Diamondbacks and Boston Red Sox, respectively. But Hernandez has not thrown the ball very well away from target field this season. 2.73 bullpen ERA for Minnesota, ranks 3rd in Major League Baseball. A definitive advantage, especially with Boston doing with a lack of a closer at the end of the bullpen rotation, ranking 18th with a 3.99 ERA. 5-5 their last 10 games, the Red Sox, but they still own the Major League's best record at this point. 3 runs or less on the offensive end in 5 of their last 6 games, but they are 25-16 versus the Twins since the 2007 campaign. They'll also send out a youngster starting pitcher. Allen Webster will make just his 2nd start. Did not factor in the decision of a 4-5 home loss or 5-4 home loss to the Kansas City Royals last month. He lasted 6 innings, allowed 3 runs, 2 earned on 5 hits. His average fastball velocity, 95 miles per hour. I think with tonight's home umpire assignment, 5-1 to the over with Ed Hickox behind home plate, I think that's going to allow the offensive hitters to pounce on some of the mistakes that these youngsters are going to make. And also, Hernandez has been a bit wild on the road, and the Boston Red Sox could take advantage of that. I'm looking to play over 5 in the first 5 innings on Wednesday night in Boston with the Twins and Red Sox. And also, keep an eye on the weather forecast in this game, as the long relievers may get involved with the potential of the tarp being on the field, with 70% chance of thunderstorms throughout the game. This has been Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com, and follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports. Cut.